The best thing is you can work from anywhere, no matter where you are in the world. YouTube is recognized in the whole world, so it doesn't matter where you are from, and I can help you to be prepared for this great career as an individual, or if you represent a business, I can help you scale your business and support growth in your company. When we talk about YouTube, a lot of people do not know where to start. And this is why I have really worked hard to create my educational program. Creating a clear plan that people can follow, that is proven, and then can help them to become successful in YouTube with all business skills required for this platform. All things I learned from 10 years of working on YouTube, I put in YouTube Monetization program. This is a complete YouTube program that walks you through every step of YouTube from A to Z, from beginner to advanced. So if you're really serious about building a YouTube career or becoming a YouTube professional, don't waste your time trying to find the best course you deserve. Congratulations, you're at the right place. Now please check the program overview. This is exactly what's going to be taught and in what order in this program. If you know you are interested in something specific, jump ahead to a specific lecture. And if you are more advanced, feel free to jump ahead to what you came here for and what you need to know. All modules are perfectly sorted out in 3 separate courses, and I have a resource section with templates, how-to guides and tutorials. Don't waste your time. Build and advance your YouTube career with YouTube Manifestation program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a few moments.